Happy Easter weekend, everybody. Today we're going to be making our Easter egg. We are going to be making Easter egg, and the main ingredient is leftover minced meat. A lot of you guys ask me, Pitmaster X, what do you do with all this meat you got left over? Well, I use it again for either cooking for my family or like this, using it in another video. And in this case, it's a really good thing. It's minced meat picanha. Are we lucky or what? This is going to be a picanha Easter egg. This is going to be so good. I already set up our ingredients. We're ready to go. Time to build up our Easter egg. Now this is the trickiest part. This is the egg, the center, the core. And the idea is formed around the Scotch egg. You might know it. It's an English or Scottish dish where they kind of like put an egg inside minced meat and then they deep fry it. And they eat it cold for lunch, take it to work, stuff like that. So that's what we're doing. But this egg, peeling this egg is a challenge. Not breaking the egg is a challenge, and also cooking it to perfection is a challenge, because if you cook it too far already, it's going to be dry on the inside. You want to prevent that. You want to have that perfect egg on the inside, whatever it is for you. Some like it runny, some like it a little dry, but in the point should be just that juiciness. I already boiled this for 6 minutes and I'm going to peel it. Look, we got an air pocket already. You can see that this is an older egg because the egg yolk is sagged to the bottom. This happens when your egg is aging. So you want to get the freshest egg possible so the egg yolk is in the center, unlike this one. Maybe more so at the barn we can have our own chicken. We can have fresh eggs every day. Oh, I heard from the neighbor lady, by the way, that they had 15 chickens. The small ones, you know. And they got eaten by the all in around 3 months' time.
No way.
Yeah.
Quick, quack and quack before they got hatched.
I don't think they're called quick, quack and quack in English.
No?
The nephews from Donald Duck?
Yeah.
What is I think more important, Marcel, is the eggs that we're using. So I'm just looking for the best one. And I put these in the boiling water at different times. And when you squeeze them, you can feel the one that is soft and the ones that are harder. And the ones that are soft is going to be the one that is going to be the most runny or the most juicy on the inside when they're cooked. Ooh, squishy. You don't know squishy?
No.
All the dads know squishy. Kids have things that they can squeeze in, like these stress balls that you get from work. You used to...
It farts.
Yeah, but it doesn't fart, it doesn't do anything. They have like a cake or like a kind of like a shape, and you can just squeeze in it. And it's called a squishy, and they like it. And nobody understands why, except for if you're a child.
This was really interesting, Roop.
Yeah, and more important, I came up with this idea, and you cannot steal this idea. But what if we could make like a squishy mattress for children? I'm sure that kids will love it, and that they make every dad buy it. So this is my $1 million idea. If I ever get on Shark Tank, that's going to be my idea. Don't steal it.
Have you told anybody else except us in the room about this?
Yes, I have.
And you're still walking around free, I see.
Of course, as a Dutch guy, I want a little bit of cheese around my egg. And I'm going to use this chili, kind of like a pepper jack melting cheese. We're going to place our minced meat on the board. Just going to straighten this out a little bit, spread out the minced meat. I bet you this is what a ninja Easter bunny would do.
You spend way too much time with your children.
Yes?
Yeah.
Oh, that's a good thing, right? Now we'll place our egg and cheese in the middle. There we go. And now we're going to gently roll this up. This is going to take some kneading and a little bit of time. And take it all in your hand and start working this into an egg. Gently and carefully shaping it into your beautiful Easter egg. It has to sit like this, so you gotta make sure that you got like a surface for it to sit on. Look at that, it's a thing of beauty. Well, it's a little bit saggy, but it looks good, good enough. We're going to take our bacon strips and put them over our egg, like that. Beautiful bacon. Now we'll carefully flip it over and make sure that we don't mess up our bacon. And there we have it. Our beautiful bacon, folded, folded, folded. I'm going to set this in a bowl to make sure that it doesn't fall apart and become runny. Now, of course, we don't have barbecue flavors on this yet, but we need to get it on there. So what we're going to do now is put on some barbecue sauce. Now, don't be shy, this Easter egg deserves a lot of barbecue sauce. Now, what I like to do is just sprinkle on a little bit of barbecue rub for extra flavor. I've already set my Kamado Joe Big Joe up at a high temperature. Currently, we're running at 250 degrees Celsius. The reason for that is that the core is already cooked. We don't want to cook the egg any further. We just want to cook the outside. So you need a little bit of higher temperature just to get it done and then take it off. I've got the grill set up for half indirect cooking and half direct cooking. But the direct cooking is just for easy access off my smoke wood. And there goes our Easter egg. Look at that thing. Nice and pretty. It's your moment to shine, Easter egg. 10 minutes have gone by. It's time to check on our Easter egg. Wow, look at the bubbles. This is gonna taste so good.
It looks a bit like a volcano.
It doesn't look like a volcano, it looks like an Easter egg.
No, a volcano.
It's an Easter egg.
Is this,
what do you like about it, Marcel?
Is this your son's science project?
Oh, come on. You know, maybe Marcel, maybe you are right. It looks more like a volcano than an Easter egg. You really hurt me deeply, and that during Easter. That's not very family-like. Just gonna brush on a little bit of more of that barbecue sauce. And all the juices that came out of the egg. Now I have this idea to present it. Look, I got a bowl of lettuce. I'm gonna put the egg in the center just to make it look like all like Easter and friendly and skippy bunnies and hop hop hop. Oh, look at that thing. There we go. Put it that center. Oh, now it looks weird. This is just such a bad idea. I'll bet you it tastes good, but it's probably gonna look horrible. Let's slice into it, see if it's still any good. Because I bet you it tastes amazing. But Marshall will never know. Carefully. Got that egg. Whoa, nice. Running egg yolks. We got that beautiful pink picanha on the inside, the running egg yolk, the molten cheese, and then the crispy bacon, barbecue sauce and barbecue rub. This could be an amazing Easter brunch. Got all the right ingredients. Look at how messy this is. That only means one thing, the messier the better. It might not look good, but it sure does taste good. Wow. And that picanha, you can really still taste its picanha. For once, I'm gonna forgive you and I'm gonna let you have this piece because of the Easter spirit and the friendliness and all the kindness that I have in me.
That does taste good.
Yeah, it does, right? They got a saying for that in English. Don't judge the book by its cover. Making something special for Easter for your family is a lot of fun. You can get the kids involved. It's an easy recipe to make. You can have them work it out. You can just guide them and put it on the grill for them. It is a lot of fun to make, very easy to do, short cooking time, and you have a family thing that you can participate in and then afterwards share to eat together. And I'll bet you the result is going to be amazing, however you're going to make it. So you can't go wrong with this. Even Morrison was amazed at how good it tastes. So that kind of means a thing or two. I hope you guys enjoyed this video recipe, and most of all, I wish you all a happy Easter weekend. And afterwards come back and maybe watch some more videos. Thank you YouTube members and Patreons for all your support. It really means a lot. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Until then, eet smakelijk and keep on grilling.